video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your sound issue on your YouTube. If you're facing any, if your YouTube videos having no sound, this is the process through which you can solve it. So you need to have a browser. I have opened Google Chrome. First of all, before opening the Google Chrome, you need to see if your sound option, speaker option is in this manner. If you have like sound off, then if your speaker is muted, you need to turn it on. This is one of the first processes. It's very basic, but most of the people didn't notice here, because most of the people use YouTube and don't notice here. So this is the process through which you should turn on, and your YouTube sound issue should be solved. It is one of the first process. The second process is go to YouTube and check if your video sound is turned on. So most of the time it, if it is like, if it is stays like here and muted, you need to unmute it so that your volume or sound is available. So you have to check it. So it's the second process. Another process is go to the settings option and click on settings, then go to settings, system option, sorry, go to privacy and security. Go to privacy and security, go to site settings, and scroll down, and you'll find additional content settings here. Click on that, and you'll find sound, sorry, you will find sound here. Sites can play sound. Okay, so most of the time, if it is given don't allow sites to play sound, then turn it on so that all the sites, including YouTube, can play sound. Okay, so if no other sounds is, if still YouTube is not showing sound, then you can add YouTube additionally here to apply sound to your YouTube videos. So this is the process through which sound can be turned on for YouTube. So another process is go to settings option, here type settings, system settings, and go to system, go to sound, check if your speakers, your master volume, everything is correct. Troubleshoot, and it will take some time, and it will check if all your device sound is on right track. Okay, so troubleshoot it, uh, change the volume and see, and you can also change the speaker also. So change it and see if your YouTube videos is like turned on, or YouTube video sound is turned on. So this is one of the process. So I have shown you 4 to 5 steps through which you can easily turn on sound for your YouTube. And if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Do let us know in the comment section. If you find any problem regarding this video, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.